James Ellis here from the Accounts Department at Ellis Co and Chartered Accountants Business Advisors, located in Chester. In these times of uncertainty, the team here at Ellis Co are here to support, advise and guide you over the weeks and months ahead. I wanted to run through some of the new support available for businesses affected by the coronavirus. First thing I wanted to begin with was the Bounce Back Loan Scheme. So this is a new scheme. The Bounce Back Loan Scheme is a 100% government-backed guarantee for lenders who can borrow anything between £2,000 and £50,000, and they can access the cash within days. No repayments are due within the first 12 months. Businesses must be based, however, in the UK. They must have been negatively affected by the coronavirus. The business must not have been undertaken in any financial hardship or difficulty as at the 31st of December 2019. Those who can't apply include banks, insurers and reinsurers, public sector bodies, further education establishments, and if they are grant funded, and state funded primary and secondary schools. Businesses already claiming under the Coronavirus Interruption Loan Scheme, or CBILS as it's commonly known, are currently not eligible. However, you can arrange with your lender to transfer from the CBILS scheme to the Bounce Back Loan Scheme. And this can be done up until November the 4th, 2020. Applications opened on Monday, so yesterday, 4th of May. So please visit our website to find out the relevant links. Another thing I'd like to talk about today is a Self-Employment Income Support Scheme, or the CEISS. So the Self-Employment Support Scheme will allow taxpayers to claim a taxable grant of 80% of their average monthly trading profits. This is all paid out in one single instalment covering 3 months, and it's capped at a maximum of £7,500. The taxpayer has to claim and needs to set up a government gateway account. Unfortunately, agents such as ourselves are not able to do this for you. HMRC has this week started contacting self-employed people who are likely to be eligible for the scheme. Though this has been happening through a combination of emails, text messages and letters, and this will tell people what they need to do in able to get ready for the claim. Applications will open based on tranches, and this has all been done based on people's unique tax reference number, so their UTRs. This is the number which is on an individual's personal tax return. From this week, people will be able to use new online eligibility checkers. So if the checker confirms that somebody is eligible, then they'll be given a date when they're able to use the online service. And they're able to make these claims from the 13th of May. Payments will be made directly to the claimant's bank accounts from the 25th of May 2020. This is actually ahead of the original plan which the government had of June. Another thing I'd like to chat about today is the furlough scheme. So the Coronavirus Job Retention Scheme, or CJRS, is now up and running. Ellis Co have been putting through a number of claims over the last couple of weeks. I've been quite busy in our payroll department. So if we carry out your payroll duties for you, then we're able to make this claim on your behalf. Please do not hesitate to get in contact if you have not done so already and would like to make some furlough claims. To give you a bit of background on furlough claims, so the principles behind the CJRS is that if you cannot maintain your current workforce because of your operations are being affected by the coronavirus, you can furlough employees and apply for a grant that covers 80% of their usual monthly wage costs. This is up to £2,500 a month, plus the associated employer's national insurance contributions and minimum employer pension contributions on their wage. Another thing I'd like to touch on as well is the Future Fund. So the Future Fund provides UK-based innovative companies with between £125,000 and £5 million from the government. This money needs to be matched by private investors. So the loans will convert to equity stakes valued at discount if not repaid. your business must have raised at least £250,000 in equity investment from third-party investors in the last 5 years. Full eligibility criteria will be published in due course. The scheme will launch in May. But as you can see, the numbers are a bit bigger than the other loan schemes. Please note that the information in this briefing, which I provided today, are correct as at the 5th of May 2020. For further details and links, please do visit our website. Myself and the team here at Ellis Co are here to support you and your business. Please do make contact with us if there's anything you need help with, whether it's queries, whether you want some help with one of these claims. The main thing with Ellis Co is that our business depends on your business, so we're all in this together. Thank you very much for listening to my briefing today. Keep safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.